Hey guys, welcome back to the Nomad Nation.
Hey, what's going on, bro? What's going on, sis? How we doing today?
This week, we wanted to kind of show you guys what we do on a daily basis. Everything from cooking and shopping to laundry and places that we stay. Just kind of want to give you guys an idea of everything that we do. And please subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet.
Yeah, make sure you like, share this video, and subscribe. This helps us out a lot. So sit back, relax, and come join the Nomad Nation.
I'ma hit the gas, once I tap it, I'm gone. Faster than the flash, when I get in this zone. Higher than the plane, stay up by my lane. Oh, I do it different and they really can't explain. Let me elevate, let me elevate you. Let me elevate, let me elevate you. Let me
Cooking. I do most of the cooking, but Chef Boy RC can get it in.
I can handle when I can handle. Kelsey definitely does all the cooking. Yeah.
So I do most of the cooking on our Blackstone, which I love. Cooking outside has been a lot of fun.
Cast iron grills, nice.
Yeah, you can cook really pretty much everything on there.
Yeah.
It has a flat surface.
It's a do-it-all grill. It's a flat surface.
Yeah, flat surface.
She be cooking me breakfast, cook grits, eggs, and sausage. Like
Everything.
Yeah, like it's a dual-purpose grill. It's great for outside.
And recently, since it's been getting a little cooler, we are able to cook inside, but I still try and do outside as much as possible. We have to go grocery shopping quite a bit because we don't want to buy too much at one time since we don't have a big fridge. We don't want anything to spoil. So we just kind of go grocery shopping once or twice a week and get what we need for the week. And we like to try out different grocery stores, but Walmart's always.
Sometimes we do go out. We go out to eat too.
Oh yeah, we go out to eat too.
Yeah, try to cook as much as possible to save a little bit on the money. Gas prices is high. You know what I'm talking about.
Yup.
I'm a YouTuber, yo. Look, I got my camera. I got my setup. I'm a YouTuber. Let's go. Yo, you know what's kind of awkward? Walking into a fight with not talking to us.
We're learning.
Yo, but it's fun. It's exciting to like just talk to my friends. Knowing that I'm building a family of not just my immediate, but to my extended, like, you know, what's up? Like, you're going to be a part of us. Like, it's cool. What do you think about that?
It's pretty cool. I'm excited to go into this grocery store.
So I ain't never been to this store. Hello. Never been to this store. But getting a few things. I ain't gonna lie. I think they buy Costco stuff and then put it in the store and just resell it. If you want to be a completely
There's so many
honest,
Costco items.
it's not a bad idea. They do have some really, really good sandwiches.
Yeah,
Like,
sandwiches. We gotta go place an order.
Let's go.
So we placed our order.
Right.
And now we're gonna
I just got like
a
turkey American, what is that? I've never heard of it. I never heard of it.
I got chicken salad. It looked delicious.
It looked delicious.
I hope it tastes delicious.
I don't be doing people's chicken salads and all that.
As long
But
as it doesn't have craisins. She said no craisins, so.
definitely don't ever give me raisins in mine. That would be a no. Not for me.
It's my favorite.
Is that a yellow egg?
Let's go find out.
Turkey
eggs, mustard eggs. Have you ever tried a mustard egg? You gotta try it.
No, I'm not trying it.
You gotta get your act together. Because in Maine, they had maple whoopie pies.
Nah, maple whoopie pies is different.
And they were like massive.
Nah, they were like pancakes, literally. Oh no, these are it. Yo, these right here, look. 69 cents, and they are fantastic. Oh, we got ourselves.
Time to
Let's
eat.
go. They said they just took a couple out and put them on the shelf. Did y'all know about vanilla?
$56 for this bottle.
I need to look into some vanilla. I don't. What is?
$56 for this
Did they got stock?
That's why
Do you find everything okay?
Yeah.
Yep. They know what they're doing. They know how to make a good sub.
What's your first drink of choice?
Blueberry lemonade. Yo, this is on a different level. I promise you.
Since we don't have a washer and dryer, we go to campgrounds to do our laundry.
Yeah, they definitely come in clutch.
When we're on the road, we will often sleep at campgrounds, Harvesthost, or boondocking. So when we're at campgrounds, we like to stay at thousandtrails. We can stay all across the country in several different locations. They have lots of beautiful campgrounds. You want to tell them about the Harvesthost?
Alright, so Harvesthost is a mixture of wineries, breweries,
Museums, farms.
And they allow you to stay at their property in exchange for buying something, whether it be goat's milk or
Or a museum ticket.
Or
wine or beer or
Right.
to stay in some really unique spots.
yeah,
And
they got some dope spots.
it's a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of really great people who are also doing the same life as us, doing the RV life, van life.
And then you get to talk to businesses to see how they're operating. They even show you sometimes on how they're doing the things that they're doing.
Yeah, they give tours, and yeah, it's really neat.
Yeah, it's cool.
So today we drove to Carolina to our Harvesthost. Oh, you get a treat? Yes, you. There you go.
Good boy. Yes, that's a good boy.
Say thank you. Ziggy boy. Hi, bud. Let's go see the goats. Come on. Say hi. Oh. Hi, goats. You guys, you have to come to this Harvesthost spot. Eureka Farms. It is so cool. They are super friendly, have an amazing store, and they give you a goodie bag. How cool is that? We're going apple picking. We got all these fresh, non-sprayed apples. Yummy. More apple trees. Got some apples. Coming to pick some red apples now. Different kinds of apples. Look at them all. Look at all the apples. Let's pick them. Look here, I guess. Nice. Slept at Walmart last night. Right there. Spend another night at Walmart.
Alright, thank you for tuning in to the Nomad Nation. Episode 4. Wow, we on number 4, man.
4. Hit the like button and consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
I'ma hit the gas, once I tap it, I'm gone. Faster than the flash when I get in this zone. Higher than a plane, stay up by my lane. Oh, I do it different and they really can't explain. Let me elevate you.